Assalamualaikum and good day. So this video about tutorial on how to create a soccer game where the user can move around and kick the ball, and there will be score text when the user score the game. So first thing first you need to do is have an asset where you need the field, players and a ball. So you need to arrange the asset like so, like mine. So the soccer, the ball and the player is in the center of the field. So once done, you can create create empty and change the name to create target cam and target ball, and we will use it later. Okay, so moving on, we need to click on the player on the hierarchy and add character controller and player movement and player ball in the inspector of the player hierarchy. And in the player movement, you need to add main camera to the follow camera, so the camera can follow the player. And don't forget to add capsule collider, so it will collide. When it collides to ball, we can kick the ball. So for the capsule collider, you need to play around with the capsule, so it will be more accurate when it touches the ball. So once the capsule collider is in place, we can move along to the next object, which is ball. So for this ball object, we need to add ball script in the inspector. In the inspector of the ball, there will be two blanks for transform player and player ball position. So you need to add player in the transform player and target ball into the player ball position. So once done, you don't forget to add as tag player into the player object. So everything are in place. You may try run and play your games if it working. And next is I create a cube. This is for the scoring system, where when the ball is inside the goal, it will triggers and the score will be increased. So set up like that, just be in between the lines. So the trigger is there, and so you need to add text from UI legacy and make it as score text. So once you created the score text, you need to drag the score into the goal script to the score text, so it will change the number of the score anytime it triggers the cube. So then everything are in place. You may try, and for the camera you need to play around, so make sure it is on the above the head of the player or whatever you into your liking. So like mine, I like it to be above or right on their eyes, or like so. And for the cube on the goal, make sure you don't forget to turn off the mesh, so it will be invisible. So let's try run it and play it. So that's it. That's your simple soccer game where you can catch the ball and kick it when you press the space bar, and you'll have the score when it enters the goal. So that's all from me. Thank you.